Alright, we are here in St. Louis, Missouri, here at a brand new parking garage right next to the new stadium. Today is the first event here at the stadium, but we're here to see the brand new Kone elevators in the parking garage.
Going down.
So let's go down to 1. No floor indicator.
First floor.
Here are 1.
Going up.
Now we'll go up to 4. Look at that, it has the yes, no buttons.
Fourth floor. Going down.
As you can see, it is a very, very busy day down here. It's kind of a big deal. All I know is this elevator is accessible now. All right, let's try the other car.
Going down.
These would have actually been cool if they were glass. Down to 1. Well, this one actually has a working indicator.
First floor. Going up.
Go back up to 4.
Fourth floor.
Here
Going
are
down.
4. Those are some very nice new Kone elevators. Maybe I'll try to get back here when it's less noisy sometime. And that's it.